Hi guys, welcome to this video about the ADORAMA set of the Panasonic FZ80. That's the camera. I will do some videos about the camera when I'm used to that. I'm not showing everything like complete review. A lot of people have already done complete reviews. I think it's a decent camera for around $300. It's one of the best values around for a power zoom camera, but it's about the package, what you can get. I mean, when you just want to buy the camera itself, you can buy it just in the box and you will get it for about $300 from Amazon, Amazon warehouse, Amazon as a seller. But you can buy from at the same price from ADORAMA, and then it contains a lot of additional stuff. And I have checked on the internet, the warranty from Panasonic is absolutely the same, so there's no difference. And so I don't see any reason why I shouldn't buy from ADORAMA. And I think it was also, it had no tax on it, I'm pretty sure. And if I bought from, or if you buy from Amazon, there will be tax on it, like always. So at the end, with the tax, it's even cheaper and you get a lot of these stuff. So what it is, I mean, these things you get with the camera, the USB cable, the charger, like the, yeah, that's the, I don't know, name. It's not a wristband, it's like a neck band. So that's it. So I put it on the side a little bit, and I think the rest was from ADORAMA. So you get a nice 16 gigabytes storage card. It's not the fastest. It says 300 times. Wow, that looks impressive. But it's up to 45 megabits per second. And I think if you would buy from, let's say, SanDisk or Samsung, it would be around 100. But it's still a class 10 card as far as I have seen on the card itself. So I think it's no problem. I've been trying to work with it. Yeah, here we see class 10, which is the thing what you like to buy these days. And I didn't have any problems. I was taking photos, videos, everything, no problem. So that's good. Yeah, the memory card. Then it comes with a cleaning, optics care and cleaning kit. You see what it is. It comes with a nice box. So you see all the liquids, spray, a few towels. That's not bad. Plastic bag. I don't know. I got many of these whenever I bought more, yeah, like not a super cheap camera. Usually I got something like that and I never used that. Especially not this one, but maybe, I don't know, maybe I will use that, so I didn't buy it just for this. What I probably will use more is this thing. That's a portable 4-in-1 memory card reader. You see on the side what it has, and it's really special because it has this cable on one side. It's a little bit flexible. That's not bad, and it comes with all the adapters. So yeah, it also comes with a small memory card wallet. Yeah, that was the thing. It even says ADORAMA, so they seem to be the manufacturer. I mean, or they let it manufacture in China with their brand. And yeah, memory card wallet. So yeah, I don't know if there's chance that I will use that. I mean, I will probably not use more than one memory card. Doesn't make any sense. If I need more than these 16 gigabytes, I will buy just a larger one and I'm done. There's actually no doesn't make sense to store memory cards, a bunch of memory cards here, but maybe I can use that for other stuff, so it's not a bad thing. But I haven't figured out what I will put in there. Maybe the portable card reader, I don't know, let's see. Yeah, what we get as well, it looks like that's from ADORAMA as well, I'm pretty sure. That's a Corel OEM suite, like the photo video art suite. Corel, I remember in the old days, some 20 years ago, or yeah, I've been a big fan. I mean, a lot of people have been big fans of the Corel suite. At the moment, I don't see that I'm going to use that. So on the back side, you will see all the serial numbers. I'm not going to show them, so otherwise you will use them, of course. Yeah, I keep them like this. And yeah, the biggest reason why I bought this set, I mean, apart from not having to pay tax, was this bag. Sometimes for a decent bag you can pay, I don't know how much this would be, $20, $30, $40, depends on the quality. The thing doesn't look too bad, but I have no idea. Name is Low Pro. I haven't checked how much this is. It's a little bit on the larger side, so the camera itself fits easily in the center part. I think I had it like this. Yeah, okay. I mean, it's not a bad thing. So you have some space left on the side, so you can put a charger, you can put this, you can put the cleaning kit, or your wallet, or mobile phone, or it's not a bad size. If you want to go super small, then it's, yeah, maybe too big. But oh yeah, I lost that. Yeah, but it's a decent size. I would say it's not too big, not too small. It's a nice intermediate size for everyday usage. Not too bad, so I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, I cannot complain even when I'm not going to use everything. But the biggest reason was this, and this seemed to really work. It has a nice carry strap or whatever it is. So I will definitely keep that. Camera is good so far, but I will make other videos about that. That's not a review about the camera, it's just really about the whole set to show what you will get if you buy from ADORAMA instead as from Amazon or from the Panasonic site. Panasonic site has, or they had at least an extended warranty thing, but you will have to pay tax, and there's no add-on. So I think it's still the better, it's way the better deal like this. So if you're interested in that, I'll put down the link into the description so you can buy it right from here on Amazon with my link. And I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.